Think math.
1 plus 2 plus 3, all the way up to 100. Those three little dots really just mean you fill in the rest. But sigma packs this whole long sum into a single symbol. A sum that follows a rule like this really carries just three pieces of information: where it starts, where it ends, and the rule that builds each term. Here, the rule is simply, the term is its own position. Everything else is just repetition. Sigma is 3 slots for exactly those 3. First, the box that counts the position, we call it K. We feed K 1, 2, 3, and so on. Below sigma goes the start, K equals 1. On top, the end, 100. On the right, the rule. Put just K in the rule slot, and it says, add up K from 1 to 100, the very same sum. Here is sigma's real power. Let's change the rule to 2k minus 1 and keep the end small, just 5. Feed k from 1 to 5 and the terms come out. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The same sigma now unfolds into a sum of odd numbers. With just the dots, we have to guess what comes next. But sigma has the rule built in, so there's nothing to guess. And change only the top number, from 5 to 100, and no matter how long it gets, it stays one symbol, compact and exact. So sigma is a compression, start, end, and rule, packed into 3 slots. Just how neatly it computes we'll see next time. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.